Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Honda Pilot can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let me show you how we complete this install. You will need the following tools and supplies to complete this installation. For this installation, we do need to lower the spare tire to make room for the hitch. Let's access the cargo area and lower the spare tire with the vehicle's supplied equipment. Access to your spare tire is underneath this plastic cap, as well as this rubber grommet. Remove this tray on the driver's side by unlocking 2 locks with a 90-degree turn. You can now remove the vehicle's crowbar that will also lower the spare tire. The spare tire does not need to be removed, only lowered to give you clearance. You can remove it if you choose. We are now ready to raise the hitch into place. I will be using this U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, I would recommend you get a second set of hands. The hitch is heavy. You will need to angle the hitch side plates over the mufflers and then pull the hitch back into place, lining up the holes. We're now ready to install the hardware. There are 6 M14 bolts as well as conical tooth washers, 3 for each side. Place the conical tooth washer on the bolt with the teeth facing the hitch plate. Repeat for the driver's side. We're now ready to tighten and torque the hardware to the manufacturer's specifications. We will link them in the description below. I will be using a 22mm socket and an extension for ease. Repeat for the driver's side. You can now raise the spare tire back into position. You can now return the crowbar to its position. Reinstall the plastic tray. Rotate the lock 90 degrees. Now that our hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. The pinhole to the end of the bumper is 4 inches. From the ground to the inside of the top of the receiver is 14 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories, like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.